Today we're going to be doing a different type of video. As seen from the title, we'll be looking at how you can watch football matches on your smartphone, specifically Premier League games, but other leagues too. The app we're going to be using is called Showmax. I've actually made a video about them before, but that was like a year ago and some things have changed. So this is like an update video. Now before we go ahead, I just want to point out that this app might not be available in every single country. If you live in Nigeria like I do, and I'm also guessing Africa, then this app should be available. But if not, you would have to check to see. Okay, so on your iPhone or Android phone, go to the store and search for Showmax. Once installed, you should be prompted to either sign in or create an account. So of course, we want to create an account. Type in your email, type in a password. You could also add your phone number if you want to, then click create account. To complete your registration though, you would be asked to go to their website. So hop on Google and search Showmax. It should be the first link. Click on it, then sign in and tap on update subscription at the top right corner. Then you should be presented with three options or three subscription plans: Showmax, Showmax Pro Mobile, and Showmax Mobile. Now note that only Showmax Pro Mobile gives you access to live sporting events like the Premier League, La Liga, and other competitions. So that's the subscription you want to go with, Showmax Pro Mobile. It costs me 3,200 Naira, which is about $4 or $5 monthly, which I think is very fair. Once you choose the subscription, you'll be asked to input your card details. I was able to use my Naira debit card, so for those in Nigeria, your Naira debit card should work. Once you've paid for the subscription, you can go back to the app now. On the homepage, you'd see movies and different series. But if you click on the sport menu at the bottom, you then see all the live sporting events, whether it's football, tennis, all the live games. And then underneath that, you then see highlights to concluded games. So if you miss the match, you can always watch highlights. To watch a live game, it's pretty simple. For example, Arsenal is playing against Newcastle right now. You just tap on it, tap on OK, and watch the game. In terms of quality, you do get a couple different options, which is nice. I tend to stick with maximum quality for the best viewing experience. So yeah, that's how I watch football on my smartphone. I use the Showmax app and I definitely recommend you use it as well, if it's available for you. As long as you have a decent internet connection, you shouldn't face any buffering issues, and the video quality is also pretty good. It also has this picture-in-picture mode, which lets you watch the game in a smaller box while you do other things on your phone, even leave the app. That's cool. For the downsides, for one, you can only have one device connected at a time. If you log in on a second device, it would log you out of the first one. Also, you can't stream or watch football games on your desktop or laptop. It has to be on your smartphone only, which sucks. Oh, and Champions League games aren't shown on Showmax. You get Europa League games, but not Champions League games. Of course, if you have questions, you can leave them in the comments. I'll try to respond. But yeah, if you found this video helpful, you should definitely hit that like button and even consider subscribing, especially if you love watching videos about the latest smartphones and tech gadgets, like the one I used in this video, the Galaxy Z Flip 5, which literally unfolds and folds, which is cool. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you when you see me.